Look, 425 steps to the top of the falls.
No way.
Or we can drive. So if you drive to the parking lot at the trail to the lower observation deck, it's a really easy and accessible trail. Like a rubberized mat.
Free juice, reuse, and cycle.
Scary because it looks like you're gonna fall, but you're actually not. So it's like scary, but it's not scary. So it's kind of weird. That was lots of fun and beautiful. It was definitely worth it to walk and drive and go up mountains, which was kind of scary because I don't really like driving up steep. I don't really like driving up steep mountains. It's just not a me thing. It's just a me thing.
But Amicalola Falls was worth it.
Yeah.
Very low effort. You can drive almost right up to both the lower and upper observation decks. Accessible trails to both. Definitely worth it. Really pretty views. Would recommend.
Would recommend.
Don't forget Callie in the video.
We'll get Callie in the video.
Oh, guys,
and it's dog friendly.
Yeah.
All the Georgia State Park trails. All the Georgia State Park trails are dog friendly, from what I have seen on the Georgia State Park website. But probably worth double checking otherwise.
Just so you know, make sure you like and subscribe and comment anything you want down below.
We're at the Fainting Goat Vineyards. And let's see what they have to offer. There's tons of local vineyards here in the area, so we'll check a couple out while we're here. Here, babe, take this.
Here, Quinn, you got this. Quinn.
That's too big.
Show the animals.
Alright, guys, I'm going to show you some of the animals. We got some puppies. See puppies? Let me show you. Boo! They're supposed to faint. I don't know how they faint. Guys, do you like goats? This place is awesome. It's called Fainting Goats, but I don't think they actually faint. I wouldn't get them to faint. Maybe you're supposed to go say boo. I'm gonna go make it. I'm gonna say boo. Boo!
Stop.
Boo! 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 It doesn't work. How do you do this?
Kids, what do you think about the Fainting Goat Vineyard?
I thought it would be more impressive, but it's fun. I thought they would actually fall down and faint.
Yeah, it was a little disappointing that the goats didn't faint, but the guy said that they're around people so often that they don't get scared anymore and faint, so they just like stiffen up.
Oh, well, the wine was really good.
Yeah, the wine was really good.
The wine was really
We
good.
got a bottle.
We did get a bottle. We got a bottle of the Anthem.
Yes.
Yeah.
Which is a sweet.
A sweet
Moscato.
muscadine wine.
Yeah.
But it was really good.
Me and Wade got some kid wine.
They had Sprite.
That's kid wine. Coke and Sprite. And apple juice. And orange juice. It's kid wine. And also Gatorade wine. Can't forget Gatorade. I never saw Gatorade. Gatorade's in my room. For real.
For real.
Okay, for real. But definitely worth checking out if you're in the area. How's your ice cream buffet?
Yummy.
What did we get? Strawberry cheesecake?
We got mint with chocolate chunks in it.
Not the mint chocolate.
Mint's
Is that
good.
vanilla?
Is it?
No.
That's, what?
Coconut.
Ew, I don't want to try it. Actually, I'll try it. I'll do it. Ew. What does it taste like?
Coconut.
Can I try a little bit of it? Like a little bit? Mom, a little bit. Can I do it? Can I take it in? That's funny.
That's mint.
Mmm.
Bite the
Coconut.
one I know. Oh, Dad's gonna eat it.
Fun. Let's have a bite. That's strawberry cheesecake.
Well, they're all fantastic. Did you see the milks in there? They all had names on them. I think that was the name of the cow that they came from. It's either the name of the cow or the name of the person that ordered it.
Weird.
I'm pretty sure it was the name of the cow that it
Look,
came
it's
from.
reserved for.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Wait, it's not a race.
There were a lot of the same names. So.
It's not a race. Hi guys, I'm at my hoverboard right now. As you saw last time, I was on my pink electric scooter. And I had my puppy with me. She's a good girl.